A blood disorder in which your body produces too many red blood cells is called
polycythemia vera.
What is 9,241 times square root of 4?
18,482.
Hello lovely people, welcome to another episode of Trend Me Africa. My name is Pakobna. So I've already done a foremost of this story and it's so interesting. It's all about the world sensational. Yeah, you heard me right. The word sensational. I've given him the word sensational because yes, for now I think all of us must see him as the a global icon, which we all have to celebrate. He's a seed that we need to water. Yeah, I'm talking of Ghanaian born. He's just 5 years old. Ghanaian born Jeremiah Owura Ado, popularly known as Owura Baby. Yes, the smartness of this boy is amazing. And each and every second of the day, he keeps attracting attention all over the world. Everybody is talking about him. People are now, discussing him, contemplating whether he's a real human being, whether he's a robot, whether he's a magic, whether he was sent from heaven down to earth. It's so amazing. It's so amazing. I believe you've watched some of his videos. If you haven't, don't worry. I'm going to, show something about him to you very, very soon. So on social media, people are asking, like, the time frame, within seconds that he is able to answer questions, it is mind-busting. People are now comparing him to their university lecturers. Recently, I saw a tweet of a Nigerian saying that, this boy is better than my maths teacher. Can you imagine? It's so amazing. Yes, and I can put myself in his, I'm trying to put myself in his shoes. But I can't, because as far as at that time we were in elementary schools, every Monday was mental. I don't know about you, but me, yes, every Monday was mental. And as soon as you see the teacher asking, hey my friend, 1 + 1, you begin to shiver. Yeah, you begin to tremble. But this boy, 1 + 1 right there in a blink of an eye, he will just give you an answer. It's so amazing. We have another highlight that I'm going to show you very soon. Yeah, but please, if today is the first time visiting this channel, you all you have to do is to subscribe and click on the bell. So I will take a breather for you to watch this one that I'm showing you. It's amazing. Yeah, and he was answering questions on chemistry, maths, and English. Yeah, so on the chemistry, I won't talk much. You watch. Yeah. In
medical terminology, what is erythrocyte?
Red blood cell.
Define energy and kinetic energy.
Energy is the ability to do work. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion.
What does DNA stand for?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
A blood disorder in which your body produces too many red blood cells is called
polycythemia vera.
In chemistry, what is another name for salt?
Sodium chloride.
Convert 90% to a proper fraction in its lowest term.
9/10.
3 times 8 divided by 4. 3 times 8 divided by 4.
6.
20 minus 5 divided by 5. 20 minus 5 divided by 5.
19.
5/7 plus 2/7.
1.
A rectangle has a length of 24 centimeters and a width of 18 centimeters. Find the area of the rectangle.
432 centimeters square.
What is 9,241 times square root of 4? What is 9,241 times square root of 4?
18,482.
Very good. Spell decentralization.
Decentralization. Decentralization.
Spell circumstance.
Circumstance. Circumstance.
Spell characteristic.
Characteristic. Characteristic.
Spell tantamount.
TANTAMOUNT. Tantamount.
Spell infrastructure.
INFRASTRUCTURE. Infrastructure.
Theory.
THEOR. Theory.
Subsequent.
SUBSEQUENT. Subsequent.
Magnificent.
MAJNIFICENT. Magnificent.
Equity.
EQUITY. Equity.
Vulnerable.
VULNERABLE. Vulnerable.
Precipice. Precipice.
PRECIPICE. Precipice.
Authority.
AUTHORITY. Authority.
Announcement.
ANNOUNCEMENT. Announcement.
So yes, it is what it is. Yeah, I know you are thinking like, how does he do this? How does he do that? How does he calculate? Is there any system planted in him? Is there any sort of calculator built within his body system that makes him able to give correct answers to questions? And it looks like every question under the sun, any question whatsoever, whether it's about a country, whether it's on academics, whether, I'm sure if we ask him questions about you, he's able to answer. It's so incredible. Yeah, it's like even myself, I pray to the Lord that I'll one day give birth to a kid like that. Yeah. So parents, please, if you by any chance, if by God's grace you give birth to a boy like this, please, you need to support and invest in him. Yes. And once again, I am entreating government officials to look for this boy, because you can imagine he's just 5 years right now. You can imagine by the time he gets 15, 20 years, I'm sure that the world cannot contain him. Yeah, because I don't know the number of things he will invent. Go to social media. I believe you've been reading people. Go and read some comments. People are, liking him to be the next president. Trust me, the things he does is just amazing, just incredible. I mean, yeah. So once again, this is Trend Me Africa. My name is Pakobna. Yeah, subscribe and click on the bell. We have a lot coming your way. I'm out.
20 minus 5 divided by 5. 20 minus 5 divided by 5.
19.
5 over 7 plus 2 over 7.
1.
A rectangle has a length of 24 centimeters and a width of 18 centimeters. Find the area of the rectangle.
432 centimeters square.